So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make millions of coins easily in FIFA Mobile 22. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So right now, we've obviously got the Group Stage Challengers event and Scream Team event. I'm going to show you one card where you can make so much coins with. Like, the card is ridiculous, so he's definitely going to go up. But first of all, I want to talk about the Scream Team event. Here, obviously, we've got these packs where we can get the 103 overall Vardy, 102 overall Silas, 101 overall Eze, Bauman, all of these players, of course. You should not invest in them right now, but whenever they go at their lowest, which is probably going to be at the end of the event or something like that, you should go ahead and invest in them. For example, let's go ahead and see how much Jamie Vardy is. Jamie Vardy is 16 million coins right now, but he's going down. Make sure to look at these prices and watch them until they go at their lowest. Silas is 17 mil. There is also Eberechieza, not the players who are like Mario Hermoso or Mitrovic. They're still gonna be at their lowest after or at the end of the event or after the end of the event. But I think the players you can pack are the best ones to invest in because they're always going down because people are always packing them. As I said, Vardy, Silas, as well as there is also Bauman. We saw him as well. Eze is gonna get to very low because he's not only in the packs but he's also in the milestones. So a lot of people are gonna claim him from the milestones. So whenever he's gonna be at like 3 million coins or something like that, at his lowest, as I said, is gonna be a very nice investment after the event. There is Bauman, as I said already. There is Barrow. This Barrow card is obviously in the chapter where we can pack one of the daily rewards. I forgot the name, but I'm gonna get into it. But those are the players that might be decent investment as well. Not the best ones for me. In the Sum of the Ghost chapter today, we've got 98 overall Boye. I wouldn't really invest in them, but they might be decent for the long run. But right now, I think the players that are in the packs are the best ones from Scream Team event. There is also 99 overall McAllister. He's the one that's packable as well. We've got 90. Who else? Full. Is he? No, I think he is. I think that 97 overall card might be as well. And some other players, of course. So I think these cards are decent ones to invest in. Suarez, I wouldn't invest in Suarez because he's in the milestones as well. Anyone can get him for free from the milestones, and he's not gonna go as low. Like, no 96, 97 overall cards. I would go for higher overalls. For example, as I said, Silas, Vardy, as well as who was in Bauman, Eberechieza. Adama Traore, I think he's gonna be a decent investment as well. Not right now, but wait until the Scream Team Star Pass goes away. He's gonna be quite cheap after that, and whenever he goes at his lowest, go ahead and make sure to buy him, and I think he's gonna be a good investment after that as well. So don't buy them right now, but buy them after the end of the event. Now I'm gonna talk about that special card that I think is gonna make you a lot of coins, and that card is in the Group Stage Challengers event, the card that everyone can get for free and is incredibly overpowered. That's 99 overall Hullet. As you can see right now, he's about 2 million coins. I already bought like 4 or 5 of him, I think, for about 2 million coins, and I think he's definitely gonna go up. As you can see, I bought 5 Hullets, and I think he's 100% gonna go up. Right now, you can quite easily get him. If you go into the market and if you search for Hullet, you will see that you can quite easily get that Hullet for about 2 million coins. As you can see, 2 million coins, you can go ahead and get him, and I don't think he's gonna go down that much more, but I think in the long run he's gonna go up a lot because that card is too good for 99 overall. 5-star, incredible card. I know everyone got him for free, pretty much everyone, but in the long run, I think in a month or so he's gonna go up a lot. At least gonna be like 5 mil, maybe even more and more. Right now he's very cheap, obviously, because everyone was trying to sell him because he was at his lowest, and a lot of people got him. Everyone wanted to sell him, so he just went very low. There was very high supply and no demand at all, because if you got a Hullet card already in your team, you don't want another one. But as people are selling them, I think they will want to get him back in a couple of weeks or in a month, and he's gonna go up. As I said, right now it's quite easy to get him. Maybe you want to wait until the event ends as well, because the event has not ended yet, and he might still go down in price, but I don't think he's gonna go down that much more because pretty much everyone has got him right. You only need to complete 4 of these UCL, UEL, or UECL matches, and with the second one you could very easily do that, or you could have done that very easily. And that's a player that I was talking about. That's the card, and I bought 5 of them already. I might buy even more and see how much it goes up in price. And obviously, with any of the investments, it's always a risk. It's always a risk when you invest in any player. But I think Hullet is a very good one, and I think there is not that much risk. Obviously, I'm not telling you to do it 100%, but I think it's gonna be a good investment. To prove that, as I said, I went ahead and bought a couple of them myself. I don't have that much coins anymore, so whenever I sell some of my players, I'm planning to sell Roberto Carlos because I don't want 30 million left back in my team. I'm gonna get someone cheaper, I think, and after that I might buy some more Hullets and try to invest in them even more. But let me know as well how you're getting on into this GSC and Scream Team event as well. Obviously, in the Scream Team, in the Sum of the Ghost chapter, you need to spend 6 candies every day. I talked about that today already, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spend my 6 candies, and I'm hoping I'm gonna get candies back. I didn't get a candy back in the first one. We got a wrapper though, but you need to spend 6 of them to get. We got a candy and some skill boosts. We'll take that. 25 skill boosts only. To go ahead and have a choice to get either candy or a torchlight, you can get one of them, whichever one you prefer. If you want to open more of these, you can get candy. But if you want to open or get more rewards in Haunted House, you can go for torchlight. And as I said before, the first one is the best one, I think, because you're getting candies back. And these rewards today, for example, are very bad. So I would go for the first one, 100%. Right, we got a wrapper and a candy. That's a perfect one. That's a perfect one for me. That was third. That is my fourth, wrapper and candy again. It's so easy. You're getting candies back, wrappers back as well. There we go. I got 7 wrappers now, so I can get another candy with that. With 5 wrappers, you can obviously get another candy. Here we go, 8 wrappers, and we got a candy back again. Are we gonna get it again? Nope. Let's go ahead and open one more, so we can go ahead and get 2 more candies with wrappers. Oh, no candies either. But we're okay with that. We're okay with that. I'm gonna go for torchlights, and I'm also, yep, that's it, right? Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 candies as well with 10 wrappers. So I still go 7, right? I'll go 6, but that's still decent. I go a lot of candies back, and we'll take that. We'll take that in the other week. And I don't need 98 overall boil, 25,000 coins, or 25 skill boosts. So the first one is definitely the best one to go with. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.